Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. The new set's released today, that's the 1st of July 2022 at 8 PM at British Summer Time. You can purchase the sets as one big bundle, so that's all of the sets. Plus free gifts, and you do get a 15% discount off of the price as well. That is exclusive to Clearly Besotted, but you can also purchase the set separately from Clearly Besotted and also selected retailers, and I'll have a list of those in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So this is the first set here. This is the Pirate Pals set, such a cute set. So there's an island here, like with the treasure chest on and the lovely palm tree there, and then really cute little monkeys dressed up as pirates. Some really fun sentiments that you can kind of mix and match. Things like ahoy there, cheeky monkey, have an amazing birthday, ahoy matey. You've got things like you could do you're my matey, just like really fun kind of set that you can mix and match different sentiments, and also you can mix and match different characters, and you can have them on the island or you could use them separately as well. Just a really fun set. So this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the island and the monkey, coloured those with Copic markers and fussy cut those out. And I just did some really simple distress ink blending in the background, tried to create kind of like a sunset and then the water there at the bottom, and then popped the images on top. The monkey did obscure the treasure chest, but I thought it still looked quite nice. And then I just stamped out the sentiments there and heat embossed those and popped them on, and just added everything with foam tape for a little bit of dimension. Next up is the lovely lemonade set. So a really fun set. There's a lemonade stand here, and then you've got all the different critters that are kind of got lemons or lemonade. So the cute little duck there holding half of the lemon, and then the little bear with the jug of lemonade, the bunny there with the bottle of lemonade, and one's holding just lemons and things like that. Again, some really fun sentiments, kind of punny sentiments. Loving you is easy peasy lemon squeezy, you're my main squeeze, I'm the sweet to your sour. And then you've got like have a really great summer, holiday, vacation, like a really fun. I like that you can kind of mix and match all the different sentiments. So this is the card that I made using that set. I thought I'd create a little circle card because I thought the images fitted quite nicely inside. I stamped the lemonade stand and the cute little duck there, coloured those with Copic markers and fussy cut those out with scissors. Did a bit of distress inking in the background for a little scene. I used the Cloudy Day stencil from Clearly Besotted for the clouds there, and then just added some green for the grass. And I didn't add an accompanying sentiment onto this set, although they're really great in the set. I quite liked it just as it is. I don't do that very often, but I thought it worked quite nicely with the circular kind of scene inside the circle, if that makes sense, and the card stands up really quite nicely as well. So I do like making circle cards occasionally. Next up is the Deep Blue Corners set. So another really fun set. You've got two corner images here. The one here with the jellyfish and the fish and lots of coral and seaweed, and then the one here with some seaweed and coral and the cute little crab there. A separate turtle and then some separate coral there as well. Little starfish and some bubbles. Again, some kind of punny sentiments. Of all the fish in the sea, you are the only one for me. I think you're clawsome. I'm so jelly. Best fishes. Really fun set. And before I show you the sample that I have made with that set, I'm going to share the next set with you because I did combine them both. This is the Balloon Bunch C set. So actually these sets work perfectly well on their own, each on their own, but I did combine them because I thought it worked quite well as well. So you've got the kind of seabed here at the bottom, and then lots of critters, and they've all got shell balloons that they can hold, which is just so cute. The little cat there and the fox deep sea diving, the octopus, the starfish and the lobster, and then these balloon, like the separate shell balloons, and then the kind of bunch of balloons there as well. Again, some punny sentiments. You are my lobster, see you soon, wonderful news, let's celebrate. Make a big splash. There you go. Yeah, really fun set. So like I said, I combined both of the sets on my card today. So I stamped out the corner there from the deep blue corners, and then added the octopus there with his shell balloon. I did do a tiny little bit of masking just on his head so that I could have the balloon slightly behind him and on his head there. And then the sentiment there is from the Balloon Bunch C set. I used the Sunny Day stencil to create some kind of light rays in my background, just use some distress inks again for that. I just thought it made a cute little card combining them together. So then next up is the Plushies in Oz set. So you've got all of the cute characters here, Dorothy, little Toto, the Tin Man, the Scarecrow, the red shoes there, which is really cute, and then some great sentiments. There's no place like home, you're so brave, make a wish, you're all heart. So really fun that you can use all of these characters on their own, but then the next set that I'm going to share with you, they work perfectly with as well. So this is the Picture It Oz set. So you've got this really great background with the yellow brick road there in Emerald City and the lovely rainbow. Some more characters, again some sentiments in here. There's no place like home, make a wish, if the shoe fits, buy it. So really great sets that you can combine together, but you can use separately as well. And so this is the card that I made use both of those sets. I stamped out all of the characters there from Plushies in Oz, and then I stamped out the background there from the Picture It Oz set and coloured those with Copic markers and fussy cut those out with scissors, and then just did some simple ink blending for the sky with the Cloudy Day stencil, stamped out the sentiment there and heat embossed that, and then just tried to add some kind of like sparkly bits to the rainbow and Emerald City there. It's a little bit busier than I would usually make a card, but I did want to try and fit all the characters on the yellow brick road. Tin Man is kind of off to the side, but pretty much I managed to fit those in. So that was a look at the new release from Clearly Besotted for July 2022. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the release. I did find all of the sets really cute to make my samples with this month. Links to the products that I shared will be listed in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog, but the links to the Clearly Besotted site don't work until 8 p.m. British summertime. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.